Good morning, all of you. Today we'll start question number 6 of exercise 3.2. Question is find the value of sine 765. Now, how to find the value of 765? What we do, first we have to divide this particular value by 90. So, when you divide 765 by 90, you will get the quotient as 8, remainder as 45. So, can we write like this? Sine 90 into 8, that is 720 plus 45, that will be 765. So sine 765, I have written sine 90 into 8 plus 45. This is the first step. Now after that, what we have to see whether the multiple of 90 is an even number or odd number. Here in this case, the multiple of 90 is an even number. So whenever you will get this step 90 into any even number plus something, so there will be no change in the trigonometric ratio. That means if the multiple is even, because either you will get the multiple as even or as odd. So if the multiple is even number, there is no change in the trigonometric function. So it will be sine 45. This term will get removed. So what is the answer? Sine of the remainder part. Remainder will be 45 now when you divide it by 90. So answer will be sine 45. Now the value of sine 45 you know is 1 by root 2. After writing the value of sine 45 as 1 by root 2, you will see in which quadrant this angle lies. 765. It will lie in the first quadrant, because 765, if you start from, this is the quadrant after school to college. This is the first quadrant. This is 90, this is 180, this is 270, and this is again 360. Now after 360, again you will rotate in this direction. So when you go on rotating, you will see that the angle 765 will come in first quadrant, because 90 into 8 times will move now. 1 2 3, all these are 90. So 90 into 4 you will reach here, 90 into 8 again you will reach here. So 90 into 8 you will reach at this point plus 45. So in which quadrant you will move? In the first quadrant, and in first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios are positive. That's why the value of sine 765 will be 1 by root 2. Similarly, question number 7, we have to find the value of cosec minus 1410 degree. Now you know, first because the angle is negative here, you know the formula that cosec minus theta is minus cosec theta. We have done it now. Sine minus theta is minus sine theta. So cosec minus theta will be minus cosec theta. So this minus will come outside. Now angle is 1410 degree. If you divide it by 90, you will get 90 into 15 plus 60. In this form you will get. Now here the multiple of 90 is odd number. So I have told you when the multiple is an even number, there is no change in the trigonometric ratio. Now when the multiple is odd, there is a change in the trigonometric ratio. The trigonometric ratio will change. Now I have written the chart that sine will convert into cos, cos will convert into sine, tan will convert into cot, cot will convert into tan, sec will convert into cosec, and cosec will convert into sec. So what is this cosec? Cosec is 90 into 15 plus 60. Now this cosec will convert into what? Sec. This cosec will convert into sec. So what is the answer of cosec 1410? It will be sec 60 degree. Remainder is how much? 60. Now I have put a negative sign here. Why I have put this negative sign? Because the angle 1410, it will belong to the fourth quadrant. If you see with this, the help of this diagram, you will move in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cos is positive. Which ratio is positive? Cos. It is what? Cosec. So that's why negative sign has come. So one negative is coming outside, and this is the second negative. So minus minus, it will become plus. The value of sec 60 is 2. So minus minus, it will become 2. So the value of cosec minus 1410 degree is plus 2. In the same way, we have question number 8, tan 19 pi by 3. Now pi value is 180 degree, you know. So if I convert it into degree, the answer will come tan 1140 degree. So again this can be written as tan 90 into 12 plus 60. Again the multiple is even number, so there will be no change. It will be tan 60 degree, and because this value will come in the first quadrant, so on first quadrant all the ratios are positive. So answer will be positive tan 60, that is root 3. So similarly you will try the next two questions, that is question number 9 and question number 10.